Welcome to Dr. Tom Talks. Today, why should you get your second COVID vaccine dose? With the help of the Biodigital Human, I'm going to be answering just that. So here's your COVID vaccine. It goes into your deltoid muscle. Typically, there are other sites that it can happen at, but that's where the COVID-19 vaccine is typically placed, just like the flu vaccine. It's an intramuscular injection, so it goes into that muscle. So why is it so important to get that second dose? Well, it's important to understand just really quickly how the vaccines themselves work. So if you don't have the COVID-19 vaccine, this is how COVID-19 attacks you. It attaches via the spike protein, that's SARS-CoV-2, to the ACE2 receptor, is internalized into your cells, replicates, it overtakes the mechanisms within the cell, and then goes on to attack lots of other cells within your body. Now, if you get the vaccine, what the vaccines do, no matter which type of vaccine it does, it revs up your immune system to create these green things, Y-shaped things here called antibodies. They attach to the spike protein. The spike protein can therefore not attach to the ACE2 receptor, get internalized into your cell and replicate and take over and destroy some of those cells, giving you many of the symptoms that you do get from COVID-19. Also, these antibodies tag the virus for degradation by immune cells like this, which literally gobble up the virus, destroy them, so they can't wreak havoc on your body. So why is it important to get that second vaccine if you're getting an mRNA vaccine like Pfizer and Moderna? Well, the main reason is because it gives you more protection against COVID-19. If you look at the CDC, studies were done initially showing about 60% protection against COVID-19 from just one vaccine of Pfizer. Whereas if you got a subsequent vaccine, the second dose a few weeks later, you're protected by up to 90%, which is obviously a lot more. So you're going to be protected more. And the other thing is that if you encourage other people to get their second dose, the whole community is going to be protected more. And not everyone is protected equally by the first vaccine, may I add. Patients who are 60 years or older actually exhibit less immunity, as well as communities like the Black and Asian community, it's been reported. So it's important that everyone gets their second dose to increase protection for themselves and also for communities at large. And thirdly, it's really important that we all try and get our vaccine in general, especially getting your second dose, because that offers you higher protection against COVID for this concept known as herd immunity. The more and more people who get vaccinated, it looks like you need about between 70 and 80%, maybe up to 85% of people need to get vaccinated. So we have this concept of herd immunity by which we are essentially protected as a herd of people because the virus can't spread because so many people are protected against it. And that's really where we want to get to. So that's why you should get your second dose of your vaccine if it's a 2-dose vaccine like Pfizer and Moderna. Remember, still wash your hands, practice social distancing, and where appropriate, wear a mask. This is Dr. Tom Talks, and this was a coronavirus vaccine special.